In deriving the general expressions for the number of wires W and the number of balls B, we may make use of number sequences. We need a general expression for the number of wires. We also need a general expression for the number of balls. And we are just required to do that without any additional information given except the information that we have in the table. This column is for the number of wires and this column is for the number of balls, and we do not really need any additional information, as you will see in a short while. Take note that there is a constant difference as we traverse each column. You can see that here, as we go down, we are adding 8 each time. 12 plus 8, that's 20 plus 8 is 28 plus 8, 36, or we may do it in difference, 36 minus 28, 28 minus 20, 20 minus 12. All of those will give a result of 8. There's a difference, a constant difference, as we traverse this column, the column containing a number of wires. Not a surprise, because we have been adding 8 wires each time. Therefore, we are ascending in multiples of 8. Each term in the sequence is related to a multiple of 8. It might sound strange that we are adding each time, but we are saying a multiple of 8. Because if we continue to add 8, 8, 8, 8 each time, as a matter of fact, 3 times 8 is 3 8s added together. 15 times 8, 15 8s added together, or 8 15s added together. The fact that we are adding 8 each time, it means that whatever number we have there has to be related to a multiple of 8. Each term in the sequence is related to a multiple of 8. The first is related to, the first one is 1 times 8, the second 2 times 8, the third 3 times 8. So we have 1 8, 2 8s, 3 8s. Each number here is related to a multiple of 8. Notice that in all cases it is the same number 4 that needs to be added in order to give the result that we have there. That are the values in that column. We have all of the multiples of 8 already outlined. Therefore, we need to take the necessary step in order to get this value. In order to get this value, we need to add 4 to 1 times 8. 4 added to 8 is 12. We need to add 4 to 2 times 8. 4 added to 16 is 20. We need to add 4 to 3 times 8. 4 added to 24 is 28. Then, the first, as you see, is 4 plus 1 times 8. Second is 4 plus 2 times 8. The third is 4 plus 3 times 8. And if we continue, the 20th will be 4 plus 20 times 8. And the nth will therefore be 4 plus n times 8. When we found the 20th one, we realized that it was 164, which is 4 plus 20 times 8. We have no difficulty stating that the nth, as we stated before, is 4 plus n times 8. The processes used in the analysis of the W column may be extended to the B column. Take note of the constant difference as we traverse this column also, and that constant difference is a constant difference of 4. 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 4 is 16 plus 4 is 20. Or, if we do the subtraction, we will have 20 minus 16 is 4, 16 minus 12 is 4, and 12 minus 8. The result is 4. Here we are adding 4 each time, ascending in multiples of 4. Each term is related to a multiple of 4. The first is 1 times 4. The second, 2 times 4. The third, 3 times 4. Because we are going up by 4 each time. And if we continue to add 4 each time, then we will be adding, consequently, multiples of 4. What do we need to add to get 8? In this case also, it is the same number 4 that needs to be added in order to give the result that we have there. That are the values in this column. If we add 4 in each case, 4 plus 4, that's 8. 4 plus 2 times 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. 4 plus 3 times 4. 4 plus 12 is 16. The first will be 4 plus 1 times 4. The second, 4 plus 2 times 4. The third, 4 plus 3 times 4. Continuing the sequence, the 20th must be 4 plus 20 times 4. And the nth will be 4 plus n times 4. And we see that it is 4 plus 20 times 4, which is equal to 84. This result and the one from the previous slide will give us the number of rows and columns in the nth diagram. So one will be 4 plus 8n and the other 4 plus 4n, as we have it right here for the number of balls in the nth diagram. For access to hundreds of free videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Richard James Mathematics Resources. For unlimited access to thousands of exclusive full-length videos, please subscribe to our Vimeo channel, Richard James Mathematics Resources.